Hello, happy Friday! It's Alexi and Kissy Bear here to do an Ulta haul. And let me tell you, look how excited he is about it. Woo! Not really. He poops like a lot every time I walk into a makeup store. So, you know, it's like one of those gotta change his whole outfit because there's so much poop kind of deals. He's not a fan. So first out of the box we got CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. There was a buy one, get one 40% off. So we got two. I like CeraVe like anything. So I was pretty happy about that. So we got the Ordinary Natural Moisturizing with HA Factors. That's hyaluronic acid for anybody who doesn't know. This brand is so affordable. So I really like them too. And then we got 10% niacinamide with 1% zinc. This is to help with like fine lines and discoloration. Good stuff. Although they do recommend to use something that's 5%, so it's less irritating. I don't really have like acne problems. Like I get little breakouts here sometimes, but I don't have a huge problem with breakouts. So hopefully this doesn't like cause me to break out or something like that. Somebody with acne probably recommend 5%, although I'm not a dermatologist. You do your own research. That's on you. Then we got the Daydreamer Morphe Lashes and the Ardell Faux Mink in the style 817. Then we have a little travel size of the MAC Fix Plus in the cucumber smell. Wanted to try that out, so I just got the little one. We've got the Insta-Dry Top Coat and the Insta-Dry Metallic Matte in the color Rose Flush number 17. I don't know if you can tell. I like the Insta-Dry because obviously, you know, I've always got my hands full, so I need nail polish that can dry quickly. Or else there's really no point in painting my nails because it's just, I'm clumsy anyways. I mess them up pretty easily. Okay, and then we got the It Cosmetics CC Plus Illumination. And I got the color Neutral Medium because they don't have any light neutral shades, but obviously it's got SPF 50, and this is something I'll be using in the summertime. So I'll be a tad bit darker. And then I also kind of plan on trying some like self-tanner stuff. So that'll be like a series of videos, I think, where I try different self-tanners and review them. So if y'all want to see stuff like that, hit that subscribe button because those will be coming soon. Okay, so they sent me this really nice like faux leather makeup bag, but it feels like really good quality and it's full of samples. I already used this Clinique Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly. That feels really good on my face. I'm a fan of that. So they also sent a sample of the Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector by Becca with 12-hour shine control. It's a matte primer. I don't really have a shine issue. I'm a dry skin girl, so. And then we've got Patchology Flash Patch for your eyes, which I have these, and they're all right. I'm not like a huge fan of them, but I also use them because I have them. I don't know. They're just okay to me. And then we have the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and also in glow. So we have the glow version and the regular version. Then we have Vital Vita 12. They're Tony Moly samples. They're serums. One is called Synergy and the other one is called Firming. So that's cool. One of them is vitamin C and the other is vitamin A. And you can apparently use them together. So I guess it's like a mix and match type thing that shows you all the ones they have on the back. I recommend when mixing stuff, like, you research what you can and cannot use together because you do not want a reaction on your face. And then we have, a Shiseido Benefits Wrinkle Resist 24 Pure Retinol Express Smoothing Eye Mask. Can't wait to use that one either. I haven't used any of their stuff, so. Then we've got a Victor and Rolf perfume. I guess in Bonbon is the scent. Okay. He's gonna eat the box. That's probably not a good idea. I'll give you something else. Co-host is getting irritated. Okay, so they sent us It's a 10 Miracle Finishing Spray in like a whole travel size. It says it's a flexible hold formula, adds shine, humidity resistant, color safe, quick drying, not sticky or rigid, adds body, weightless, adds control, brushable formula. So that's cool, that's nice. Can't wait to try that. We've got Mamonade Petal Spa Oil to Foam. What is this? An oil cleansing foam for quick and easy cleaning that gently dissolves makeup and oil and forms a rich lather with water. Sweet. Love skincare stuff. Next up, we have Zit Sticka. Squeeze sides to open instead of squeezing your zits. The patch from the future that puts your zit in the past. Sounds like horoscope jargon, but nope. We've harnessed the latest in dermatological science and cosmetic technology to develop a pimple patch that blends perfectly picked ingredients with a stupidly smart delivery system. So I guess they're literally patches. It says one patch. It's got hyaluronic acid, silic acid, and niacinamide. So I guess it's a patch to go on breakout. It's interesting. Then we got Biolage Styling Air Dry Glotion with agave. Multi-benefit styling spray. Let's see. To use, apply to damp hair, and leave to air dry. I'm not really sure what that means, like what it does. I guess it's just or shine and stuff. Well, I don't know. I guess we'll figure that out. You don't need this stuff. Here. You can also play with the box. Okay, we're happy about the box. We've got Pureology Color Fanatic Multitasking Hair Beautifier for perfecting color treated hair. Lightweight mist primes, protects, and perfects while delivering 21 essential benefits for color treated hair. Featuring the exclusive anti-fade complex to use mist on clean damp hair and comb through prior to styling. So I guess this kind of does the same thing as this. This is for color treated hair, and it's also a different brand. So there's that. Living Proof Restore Perfecting Spray, Conditioning Detangling Spray. Perfect. I can always use this. I've got a knot in the back of my head that won't go away. And then we've got Smashbox Photo Finish Oil and Shine Control Primer. Diva Curl Super Cream. Coconut Curl Style Defining Control. Well, obviously I don't need this. And I don't know if y'all have heard about the drama with Diva Curl. But I won't even be giving this to anybody that I like. Because, yeah, I don't want them to go bald either. Lorac Pro Plus Fiber Mascara. I'm not really a fan of fiber mascaras. I find they tend to flake and stuff, but I'm willing to give it a try anyways, at least once. Why not? Free sample. Might as well get some use out of it. And then we got Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. Got a little sample of that. I haven't tried anything from Cover FX either. Florence by Mills Clean Magic Face Wash. Here's another brand that I've been wanting to try. So that's awesome. Belief, the True Cream Aqua Bomb, Increased Hydration Level. Okay, so I guess this is like a water gel moisturizer. And then we got 2 number 7 samples. Dark Circle Corrector. Dark circles look visibly reduced in 1 week. Every mommy could use that. Oh, I love this cologne so much. We got an Aqua de Jo sample. Love it. Smells so good. What is this? We got something wrapped up here. Oh no, plastic is not toys. We got a pure, fully charged mascara powered by magnetic technology. Interesting. I wonder if this is new because I've never heard of it. But we'll give that a try. Next we got It Lash Blowout Mascara, which they were giving away with purchase of It Cosmetics. Oh, focus. Then we got an Ulta Beauty full-size black eyeliner. So that's pretty cool. How nice of them. Next up, ooh, we have a Stila lip color in the color Patina. And like the cutest little tiniest sample of the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I know, bud, we're almost done. We're almost done. And then let's see, our last couple of things in here. We got a Proactive Deep cleansing wash for acne prone skin. And Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration for dry parched skin by Fab Beauty. Now they're speaking my language. I do love this line. It's a pretty good line of stuff. And we got Botanics Simply Calm with Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil Hydrating Serum. Yes, I can't wait to try that out. I've never heard of this brand either. Well, Kissy Bear says we're done, and that's all we got for today. So thanks for watching, and we hope to see you back here. If you're new, please subscribe. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up and let me know. What out of all of these samples would you be most excited to try? And what have you gotten at Ulta or Sephora lately? All right, y'all have a nice day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.